Isaiah Victor's and red down to Barangay Peter Amar. Candidate number 2, Balsigan, Kaya Muriel Jose, Unang Barangay Community Calabasas. Candidate number 3, East Bayan Park, Zera C. Kamay. Candidate Unang Barangay Roy Alexander Agdawa Jr. Candidate number 4, Gibraltar, Shania Turco, Unang Barangay Dineso O. Candidate number 5, Irisa, Emily Kawigan Gumira, Unang Barangay Arthur D. Carlos. Candidate number 6, Noah Van Cropper, Corin Sophie Bahata, Unang Barangay Edward Manuel T. Cayetano. Candidate number 7, Lower Northwest Subdivision, Ms. Patrice Rafael Balahat. Unang Barangay Lorente R. Sakingula. And for our first batch of candidates, candidate number 8, Military Council, Charlotte Legan Goshoco, with their Unang Barangay Bentley R. Ayon Cruz. Ladies and gentlemen, the first batch of your 2026 Miss Baguio candidates, together with their respective with the SB Chairperson, Jillian Rose Taya. From North Sananaycan, Jenny Ramos Cadania, with their SB Chairman, Jesper S. Castaneda. From Barangay Mactal, Charlene Gonzalez, with their SB Chairman, Levy Rudo. From Barangay Tingin, Francis Blackie D. Dicayo, with their Punong Barangay, Pablo Espawi Jr. From Barangay San Luis Village, we have Nika Soriano, with their SB Chairman, Narni Lavo Gay. From Barangay San Vicente, we have Katrina Sando, with their Punong Barangay, Rufina D. Loan Anomi. From San Tomas proper, we have Camille Cano, with their Punong Barangay, Alejandro I.P. Apes. And to complete our second batch and our list of candidates for 2026 Miss Baguio, we have South Sanitary Camp, Daniela Mazen Mustafa, with their Punong Barangay, Vivian and Fernandez. For the Barangay Suminaw, sash your candidates.